A core design capability of Solid Edge is the sheet metal environment, which provides an entire design through fabrication workflow using streamlined synchronous modeling methods that are tailored to the unique needs of sheet metal design. Solid Edge's specialized sheet metal design enhances productivity significantly by speeding up component design and creating manufacturing-ready flat patterns to help eliminate scrap and rework. The result is faster time to manufacturing, backed by improved quality of the sheet metal components, thanks to the intuitive and powerful synchronous technology. In this video, we'll show you how. Let's start by creating a simple sheet metal part. Observe how various features can be built into a base tab using significantly fewer steps. Start by creating a rectangle on the top reference plane by first locking to the plane with the F3 key, or simply clicking the lock icon. Apply dimensions to the rectangle as you draw without the need of invoking a separate dimensioning command. Next, create a tab out of the rectangle using the tab command. You can also specify the material, its thickness, and the bend radius on the fly. Click on the arrow indicator to toggle the thickness direction. Adding flanges using synchronous technology is intuitive. Simply select geometry in the model and use the steering wheel axis to create the flanges. Use the Design Intent panel available right at the mouse cursor while editing existing features. Breaking corners can be done in a single step and does not require further user intervention. Adding a slot is simple as drawing a line segment. Pick the face of a flange to draw the line by locking onto the plane. Specify only the length of the line and Solid Edge takes care of the rest. Then start the slot command and fine-tune the slot properties and extents from the command bar. The slot can be positioned after it is created using the Smart Dimension command, available right at the cursor position from the radial menu. Synchronous edits provide full control over the size and direction of changes to existing features. To add some vertical flanges, start by picking the side on the model and dragging the axis on the steering wheel. Solid Edge gives you the freedom to instantly change to a partial flange from the command bar, and also lets you specify to bend the flange outside. Position the flange easily and quickly, again using the Smart Dimension command available from the radial menu. By using the Break Corner command and a radius value half of the flange width, the desired shape can be achieved without the need for an extra profile sketch. Creating a mirror flange is a one-step process. Select a flange, pick a plane. There, done. Now that the component is ready, it's time to harness the power of Solid Edge sheet metal design. A flat pattern of this component can be created in a single click. Just specify the face to be oriented upwards in the flat and the X direction. Solid Edge sheet metal generates the cut size, range, and dimensions in the blink of an eye. Switch back to the folded state with a single click in the Pathfinder. Further, a bend table that shows the bend sequence, angle, and directions can be displayed instantly, along with neatly annotated bends on the model. The power of synchronous technology makes late-stage design changes a breeze. For example, to change the bend angle of the two vertical flanges, creating a live section passing through one of them is sufficient to capture the design intent of the flanges in the sheet metal part. Next, placing an angular dimension between the edges of the section grants enough power and intelligence to modify the bend angle for the vertical flanges. Finally, manufacturing support is an area where Solid Edge sheet metal excels. Its Save Flat as DXF command allows the user to create a CAM-ready flat pattern DXF file directly from the sheet metal model without the need to create a drawing first. The drawings are generated with neatly arranged color-coded layers for respective contours like outer and inner loops, and also for center lines of up and downward bends separately. Since many machines read DXF directly, this approach is quicker, more convenient, and less error-prone. Solid edge sheet metal design with synchronous technology provides speed and flexibility with precise control. Solid edge streamlines the entire sheet metal product development process, from design of sheet metal components through flat pattern development, and thus is ideally suited for sheet metal design.